Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Kia Forte. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are perfectly adjusted for your height and reach, providing clear views all around. Take a moment to locate essential controls like headlights, wipers, and climate settings. When you are ready, insert the key into the ignition and turn it, or simply press the engine start/stop button while holding the brake pedal. This prepares your Forte for the road ahead. Now, let's cover the driving fundamentals. With your foot on the brake, release the parking brake and shift the gear selector into D for drive or R for reverse. Slowly release the brake pedal and gently press the accelerator to begin moving. Remember to apply the brake pedal smoothly and progressively to control your speed and come to a complete stop when necessary. Practice makes perfect for a comfortable ride. Mastering maneuvers is key to confident driving. Always use your turn signals well in advance and check your mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes. Maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds from the vehicle in front of you, especially at higher speeds. For parking, practice parallel parking in an empty lot. This skill improves with repetition and helps you navigate tight spaces with ease. Keeping your Kia Forte in top condition is simple. Regularly check your tire pressure, aiming for the recommended PSI, which can improve fuel efficiency by up to 3.5%. Adhere to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule for oil changes and routine inspections to ensure longevity. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying features, perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.